All right, here's our first video we're gonna put on for one beer job. All these jobs you could do with one or multiple beers. But I own a lot of Jeeps. I like to do modifications, updates on them, and generally just after you break them, fix them. And do a lot of in-home repairs. So today I'm going to take you through one of my repairs that I did. I have a soft top Bestop NX on my 13 Wrangler, and noticed a whistling sound when I get over 70 miles an hour. I had bought a header bar from Bestop just in case if there was something severely wrong, and of course there is. But I'm going to try one modification or one fix, excuse me. But in order to do that, gotta have the beer. All right, so here we go. The first one that I have is, like I said, I took off my soft top, and I'm going to show you what was going on here. Okay, on the NX top, you can see that there's two screws that hold the actual soft top to the header bar, but then there's two other screws on there. Now those two screws are missing, and I think this is the place where I'm getting the whistling from. Those two were gone. And then over on this other side, my soft top has ripped off, probably from it being loose. So you can see that after you take those two screws off, you can actually get in there and put two screws on and make it work. Now, what I used for my screws are just sheetrock screws that you would use to like do, or not sheetrock, but like middle stud screws. They're self-tapping, 7/16, size 7. That's a part number. I honestly don't even remember where I got these from. They've been sitting in my toolbox. So what I did is I just zipped off these two screws. Notice that those two screws right here were missing. Just put two of those screws on, and now it's nice and tight. Before, this bar that goes back to the center of the vehicle was nice and loose, and now it's nice and taut. It's not loose at all. I'm gonna zip these out and show you what I mean by it being loose. So if there's one that's loose, you could actually feel it. And then if two are loose, this is the action that you get. You could see that the header itself is not moving, but the bar is. So maybe the header was pulling off. And we'll just zip those bad boys right back on. Now it's not loose at all. So I think that might solve the problem of it whistling. Who knows? Maybe if it doesn't work, then I'll show you how to put the header bar back on, or a new header bar, which is sitting right over there, along with my doors. So I have all these things that I'm going to put back on the Jeep, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Well, until next time, have a beer, make a mod, do it upright.